Hey guys, it's Phil and Stephanie. We're over here at Waldorf Astoria for Cars and Coffee. This is Hazen.
Say hi, Hazen.
All right, let's see what kind of cars they have. Let's check them out.
And thank you all so much for coming out. It's great seeing everybody again, and thanks for bringing your beautiful cars and participating. This is going to be a lot of fun as we continue to grow this event. We're going to do it once a month and go into the holidays, some fun things for the holidays, and of course go into next year, just keep making it more and more fun. So again, we appreciate you guys coming out. Jessica, thank you so much for helping set this up and getting this going. All right, let's have a little fun. I think right now we'll go out on the road, we'll do a cruise. So we want to do a shorter drive today? We want to do a longer drive? Shorter is better? Shorter is better? Shorter. All right, well I won't keep you guys hostage too long today then. All right, we'll do a shorter drive today. Sound good? Yeah. All right, let's do that.
So today we're doing a short run instead of a long run. We're just bringing Cars and Coffee back to Waldorf Astoria. It's something that Frank started back when he first moved in. I can't remember when he first moved in, but it was definitely some years ago, back when it was the Mandarin. And get together, we do probably once every month, every third Sunday of the month. We do a drive, sometimes go up to the mountains. It's a lot of fun. We also do toy drives for Christmas time. We collect toys for the Department of Family Services, which is also called Child Haven, and we do food drives throughout the year. So we get together with the cars. We have some coffee, we have some donuts, we have sometimes we go around, we support small businesses and check those out, but we have fun and we support good causes.
I got the cheapest car here.
No, you don't.
I brought the Corolla.
Thank you.
Yep. Gotcha.
Starbucks, cause we hungry. We want that food in our tummies.
Oh wait, it was amazing.
All right, so we're out celebrating Ryan's birthday. Happy birthday, Ryan. We've got a ton of cars out here. We're gonna go eat, get some food, and then we're gonna go hit the streets. Lost everybody.
She tapped out.
No charges, one battery.
Gimbal's halfway going out to Death Valley? No, Valley of Fire.
The Valley of Fire.
Valley of...
Loves?
Yeah.
Alright. Mission affirmative! We're off to Loves to go meet the rest of the gang.